Your child has either died during childbirth or has suffered a very serious injury. Now you're wondering, if you contact a childbirth injury attorney or a malpractice attorney, what are some of the things that they're going to be looking at to help you determine if malpractice occurred? Want to know the answer to that question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about two areas of investigation that your attorney is going to look at if your child died during birth or if your child suffered a serious injury during the delivery itself. Now, what you got to understand that these two areas that I'm going to talk about today are not exhaustive, that there are other things that your attorney is going to look at, but I'm just talking to you today about these particular aspects of the investigation. The first thing that your attorney is going to want to look at is the fetal heart strips. The fetal heart strips are very important in a childbirth injury case or a child death case during delivery, and that is because the fetal heart strips will help the attorney see whether the child was tolerating a vaginal delivery well. The fetal heart strips are there for the doctors because they are supposed to pay attention to these strips. And if the child is in distress and the strips are showing that the child is in distress, then doctors have to take certain actions. We're looking at a baseline heart rate of 165. When we're in that area and higher, then doctors have to be very careful about protecting the baby. Now, the second thing that I want to talk to you about is whether there was a shoulder dystocia situation present. Now, you may be asking yourself, Marcus, what do you mean by shoulder dystocia? Shoulder dystocia is a medical condition that can occur during the birth itself. And what that means is that, what shoulder dystocia means is that the baby can get trapped behind the pelvis. And when this occurs, if doctors do not move quick enough, the baby can die or suffer serious injuries as a result of the medical condition. Doctors are taught certain maneuvers to help free the child in a shoulder dystocia condition during birth. If doctors panic or they don't use the maneuvers the right way, then the child can either die or suffer serious injuries to the brachial plexus area, which can then lead to injuries to the arm, to the neck, and things of that nature. So it's really important that if a shoulder dystocia situation is present, that doctors not panic and remember the maneuvers that they're taught. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because I'm trying to help you get insight into this process. If you're watching this video today, more than likely your child has either died during birth or has suffered a serious injury during the delivery, and you're now wondering, what should you do? Is it worth it to talk to an attorney? Or if you do talk to an attorney, what are some of the things, or what are some of the areas that the attorney is going to focus their investigation and analysis on? If you have more questions about this process, or you know that it's time to talk to someone, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer to send me an email, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. Guys, I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I will be glad to listen to your story. Remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to pick up that phone and give me a call. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.